Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn what is UI UX and what is the difference between UI UX. Okay, so firstly I'm going to open Photoshop, then I will teach you and explain you what is actually UI UX. Okay, so firstly let's open Photoshop, and as you can see that I have opened Photoshop and I have written some text here like definition of what is UI and UX. So firstly read the definition like UI. So let's read. Here is saying that UI UX design is about creating user-friendly digital products like website, apps, and software. It ensures that users have a smooth, visually appealing, and efficient experience while interacting with the product. Okay, so this is the general definition of UI UX. Okay, so let's firstly read what is UI actually. So here is saying that design focus on the look and feel of a product. It includes color, typography, button layouts, and overall visual elements. Okay, so I hope you got my point that what here it is saying. So here is saying that UI or the UI meaning design focus on looks and feel of a product. It includes colors, typography, button layout, and overall visual element. Okay, so to know it practical, let's open a website. So I have opened here Amazon website. So as you can see that everything I will explain you step by step. Okay, so firstly just take it side by side. So as you can see that here it is saying focus on the look and feel of a product. So there are lots of products showing on Amazon, and what is the look and what is the look and feel. Okay, what is the look and feel. So how is Amazon looking? Like its color, there are lots of color Amazon applied here, like it is a gradient color that is written shop Amazon device with Alexa. This is a gradient color. Typography meaning any text you are seeing on a screen on your computer or laptop screen, that is like here it is shop Amazon device. This is a text. This all the text we apply on our website is called typography. Okay, and colors. So there are lots of colors like here Amazon applied a gradient color, like here to here they applied a gradient color. So I will teach you gradient in next video, but first let's understand all the term. Okay, so I hope you have understand what I am trying to teach you. And button layout and overall visual element. So here as you can see that this is a button. So this is a button. So what is the name of this button? This is called search button. Okay, so if you search here like okay, so let's clear it. So if you search here mobile phone, okay, so let's search and see the result. So as you can see that there are lots of Samsung mobile and Google Pixel 9 blah blah blah, all the mobile phone are showing here. So this is like this is like visual element. All the things here it is showing, this is called UI. Okay, now all the things like let me recap it again. So on a website or app, maybe it's your mobile phone, you are using YouTube, a mobile app, and how the YouTube is looking, how the YouTube there are like text section like tendering, and lots of section are on YouTube's apps. And here in Amazon that here lots of things showing text, color, button, typography, layout. So layout, what is layout? You may ask that what is layout. So layout means, so this is called a layout. So this is a header section. So this is called layout. I hope you got my point. So now let's understand what is UX. So UX is nothing but it is about how you feel the product. Okay, so here I just search mobile phone and I just hit enter, and there are lots of mobile phone is showing here. So this is how you are feeling, how your product works, like the search process, and it focuses on making users journey smooth, efficient, and enjoyable. So that I just type here mobile phone and hit enter on search button, and lots of mobile phone are recommending here. So this process is called UX. UX. So this is UX. It means that how a user will feel when they will be using your product. Okay. So it may be Netflix, it may be a lot of other things. So firstly, open Netflix. Let's Netflix. So as you can see that Netflix is opening. So here on Netflix, that all the images, all the color, so this is a perfect example of a button, get started. So this is called UI. So whatever you are visually looking on your website, on a website or on a mobile app, is called UI. And when you just search for a product, like here Netflix is not giving any search option here, due to that you have to firstly register on it, and then they will provide you a search option like movie search option. Like think about that, this is a search option movie name, and you just enter Avenger Endgame. Okay, so when you hit enter, and suddenly your Avenger Endgame just pop up on your screen, like mobile screen or your computer screen. So this is the process, that how you feel and how you are enjoying the product. This is called UX. That this is a bad UX or good UX. Like when you search here Avenger Endgame, and they are not showing you result, instead of showing result they are just buffering. So this is like really irritating for a user, and this is we call bad UX. Okay, and when you just type a movie name and just hit enter, and suddenly your desired movie is suggested, so this is called good UX. Okay, so user satisfied just by using your product, so this is called UX. Okay, so without without UX, UI does not exist. So you have to keep in mind that without UX, UI does not exist. Okay, so firstly you have to just draw a sitemap, then you have to draw a wireframe, then the designer will convert your wireframe to a visually appealing website. So all the process I will teach you in the next video. Thanks for okay, so one more thing I want to teach you, that is difference between UI and UX. Okay, so I just open. So let's firstly make it bigger. So as you can see that UI means visual element, focus. Focus point. What is focus point? Visual element. And UX means user interaction and experience. So I already teach you that how a user will feel when they will use a product. And goal mix. UI main goal is makes a product beautiful. So how your products will look like, how your product will visually appeal. So this we call UI, and make a product easy to use. And after designing your product, how a user will be able to use your product. So this is called UX. Okay, and include. So UI include color, button, icon, typography, layouts, all the things that is mentioned here. And UX means user flow, wireframe, usability testing, research. Don't worry, I will teach you in the next video what is flow, user flow, what is wireframe, what is usability testing, and what is research. And the tool we use for UI design is like now is very popular is Figma and Adobe XD, Sketch, Photoshop. All these tool we use, and as well as we can also design UX like Figma, Adobe XD, Balsamiq, and Miro. I don't know these two tool about. So example, how a website looks and how it is used to navigate the website. This is called UX. And in simple word, if you say that UI is something looks, UI means something looks, and UX is how something works. Like if you have a car, and how the car is look, like car color, car design, this is all called UI. And when something like engine, not like engine, how you are going to use the car, this is called UX. Okay, is the car easy to use? Is the car's the seat is designed easy for a user, like satisfying and pleasing? So this is called UX. So I hope you have understand what is UI and UX. So I will see your beautiful face in the next video. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.